Hello, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Meeta Dani, and with me I have Meghana Chaudhari. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how watercolor has changed Meghana Chaudhari's life and how she has come out from her fear and how she has become a fearless, confident watercolor artist. Let's talk to Meghana Chaudhari. Meghana, thank you so much for joining this interview. And I'm glad that you found time to have a case study video with me. So Meghana, a short introduction about yourself so that the viewer can know who you are and where are you from?
Hello everyone, my name is Meghana Chaudhari. I am an artist. Before joining this course, I was a homemaker and a hobby artist. I love to paint, drawing and paintings from my childhood. I had learned different forms of arts. I learned different types of medium, acrylic, oil, and watercolor. But watercolor is which I found interesting also, and the same times I found it is difficult to learn, as I'm very much used to with the acrylics. I found watercolor is difficult to paint, and that's why I'm searching for some courses which really help me to grow in that watercolor field. This course is got me for that. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You used to making different kinds of art throughout your childhood, isn't it? You were not thinking of becoming a professional artist, and you felt watercolor is difficult, but other mediums are not difficult, and you were searching for a course. How beautiful is that? So, are you planning to become a professional artist now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm planning to do professional artist. I'm trying lots of new other subjects to paint in watercolors. So I will be more confident in watercolors. And after doing your course, I'm much confident about I can paint any subject now. I'm going to start my own workshop and all very soon. So I'm looking forward to it, ma'am.
That's so good. Thank you so much, Meghna, for sharing this. So tell me a little bit, like when you had come to my course, I remember that you were very scared of starting with the project, isn't it? Like,
Yes, ma'am.
remember those
Yes.
days? Like I used to tell you that just start and you will not start. Like you were totally hesitant. Tell me what you used to feel that time about watercolors. Why you were so scared about watercolors that time?
Before joining this course, I was like watercolor is a difficult medium, and after learn watercolor from you, and when I started with the project painting, I never painted such a huge painting first. So that huge paper, blank white paper, scares me. Okay, how should I paint? So first week I literally very scared to touch the paper also. But now you motivate me. At least you paint something, and at least you start. Then you will get confident how to go, and that mindset training and all that were very helpful in this project field, ma'am. So I started with the little sections, and then after I had completed that painting so wonderfully, so I never imagined I had painted such a big painting in first time.
Can you show
Yeah.
our viewers your painting?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
painting, first watercolor
Yeah.
painting.
This is my first watercolor painting.
Wow, this is looking superb. Fantastic
Yeah,
painting.
yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good job. So this is your first watercolor painting.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. So after you painted the very first watercolor painting, and that too, it is a figurative painting.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Figurative.
it is quite big. So how you
Yes.
felt about it after you completed that?
I have never thought कि I will paint watercolors such a beautifully and skillfully. And just before starting the project, I was scared कि how can I paint that human figure? Actually, I'm not clear about that human figure. I can paint any other area, but I'm scared about that human figure. But you help me a lot, and you motivate me a lot, and you push me so hard that I can do that painting consistently and it completed on the time. So it's really helped, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, Meghna, now that you have painted quite many paintings in that course, how you feel
Yes.
about that. Do you think watercolor is scary now? Do you have any kind of fear?
After your course, I learned that no medium is difficult actually. We are not having proper knowledge about that medium. That's why we scared about that, how the watercolor introduced to ourselves in our school time and all. I thought ki watercolor is unpredictable medium before, but now I can experiment with watercolors, and it is so wonderful to experiment with watercolors of different subjects. So now I will be very much confident about the watercolors. I can paint any subject now. And that will be the confidence level now. Okay, I can paint any subject.
That's so good, Meghna. Show me your other paintings.
Yes, ma'am. I will show you. This is my painting.
Wow, this
Yeah.
is huge, big painting, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Wow. It is looking so good with the framing.
Yeah.
Is there any other painting that you would like to show?
Yes. This is my second
Wow.
painting.
Wow. This is brilliant. Gorgeous painting. Okay. And I think you are making one more, right?
Yes, ma'am. The last one is not get over. I'm working on that. And
Okay.
this one will
Wow. This is so good. Wonderful. This is fabulous. And this is huge painting, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Great job.
All my painting are huge, imperial size. Yes, ma'am.
Great job. So, Meghna, now that you don't have any kind of fear with watercolors, do you think that this course has made any kind of changes in you as a person, as a human being?
It gives us a more insight about our personality development. As I said, personality development, because you really motivates us and change our positive mindsets, which required to be paint as a professional artist. I never knew that the positive mindset matters a lot while painting. And this course teaches us not only the watercolors, but also this mindset training and limiting beliefs and all the your attitude shifts what you need to do as a professional artist.
Oh, thank you so much for sharing. So, Meghna has shared this course, Mastering Watercolor Realism, focuses a lot about positive thinking because I believe that we cannot achieve a lot of success without positive thinking. And I also help my students to develop a different kind of attitude, an attitude which is a must for becoming a professional artist. So, this course is not only for learning watercolors, this course is also for building the attitude, the mindset, the belief that is required for becoming a professional artist. So, Meghna, tell me one thing that you have gone through the entire course and now your course is over and now you are super confident about painting any subject with watercolors. What are the most important three features that you found very valuable from this course?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this course is very valuable to beginner artists who don't know about the watercolors. It teaches you from basics. This course gives you every knowledge about the theory about the watercolors, which I never knew before, and I don't think any such other courses is having like this theory and all things. And this course really helps to build up from that basics and all your techniques and the small assignment which you will give us to learn our skills, so that will really helps in our project phase. So that small assignments that will be the building stones for us. And other thing is ki you never spoon feed us. At the first time when I started my first painting, I was like, she's not telling us what to do. And you tell me ki Meghna, you need to paint, and you need to think ki what you can see in that painting, and you can paint on that. So that gives us more confident about how we can go any subject, how to do which technique we should use. So that really helps us. And there is no spoon feeding. That's why we can thought for what should we need to do. So that really helps.
Thank you so much for sharing, Meghna. And I totally believe there are a lot of courses inside this world which teaches watercolors, where the trainer tells the student exactly what to do and how to do. And I teach exactly what to do, how to do, but when the painting session comes, when the project painting comes, I totally believe that every single artist is unique and they have a mind of their own. I teach them all the concepts. Once they start implementing, they come up with their own ideas and own philosophies, and that shows that in their painting. So like Meghna is a unique artist, I am a unique artist, and all the people out there are unique, and they will paint with their own thought process. I help my students and challenge my students to build up the entire thinking process. So Meghna, now if I tell you and give you a very difficult subject, do you think you will be able to paint?
Yes, ma'am. I can paint any subject now.
Okay, great job. So, Meghna, what you would like to share with the viewers? Would you like to recommend them that if they are scared, they still can join this course, or what is your opinion? Like, what you are going to recommend viewers?
Yes, ma'am. This course is designed such a way, if you are a beginner level artist or you even don't know about watercolors anything, so you can join this course and you can grow like a professional artist, because this course provides you all the basics and all the techniques, and not only the watercolor study, but you also teach us how to learn watercolors in a systematic manner, how to develop your personality and your attitude and positive mindset towards any subject, paint it very confidently. So this course is full package of all these things, and I will recommend this course to all the watercolor lover who wants to learn watercolors thoroughly.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for recommending my course. Meghna, I will ask you one more question. Now, you said that you are finding very confident, right? Can you
Yes.
teach another person how to paint confidently now?
Yes, ma'am. I can now teach any subject to a other person. I have that confident. I had learned from you in so many paintings. I had learned how to teach and how to build any subject. So I can teach any other students, ma'am.
Wow. You can teach any subjects how to paint with watercolors, but do you think that you can implement the same strategies for teaching acrylics or oils, which you are quite like you also know how to paint with acrylics and oils? So, do you think you can teach that also using the same principles?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, having the canvas painting workshop batch, so that is going on. So I know how to teach the acrylics. So I have students who painted the canvas painting. So I had started with in-person workshop. I had not started any online workshop. So I taking a small steps towards professionalism, and I'm building it.
That's so fantastic. So, see how she was quite scared to join watercolors and she was quite scared, but she was very interested to learn watercolors. Watercolors always fascinated her, and now she has become so confident that not only she can teach watercolors, she can teach acrylics and other mediums also. And she has started earning by conducting workshops. I'm so glad. And in case you want to become a professional artist, understand that this course is only for you if you want to learn watercolors in order to become a professional artist. Now, if you are an acrylic artist or an oil paint artist and you want to understand how to teach another person all those concepts and let them paint absolutely anything, in that case, also you can join this course. I know that there is no other course in this world which is teaching artists how to paint absolutely any subject confidently like a professional artist. So this course is unique. Okay, have a talk with me and then I will see how can I help you. Okay, thank you so much, Meghna, for this wonderful case study interview, and I'm glad that you found my course valuable. And thanks once again, and best wishes for your upcoming projects and your career. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.